check. It's 2:08 a.m. Our flight is 3:55. And sana okay lang yung itsura ko dahil sobrang hindi ako naghanda. Ayun yung anak ko. We're bound to... Saan tayo? Tingnan yung buhok niya. Kita na ba?
Kita.
No, kita na. Napagbigyan. Nagkulay siya ng red. So, anyway, sobrang ano niyan. Kita pag mainit. First, look at our luggage. So cute. And bash. So, anyway, let's go. Nandito na kami sa NAIA. And ang hirap mag-vlog. We are finally here and settled. So, kakain kami. And ito talaga yung isa sa pinaka, ko, yung pag-check-in, parang feeling ko ngarag na garag ka. So, no matter how much time you still have, parang feeling mo, parang, wala ko mag-check-in. Or yung nervous system ko lang talaga. Kayo din ba? Or ako lang yun, na parang nagmamadali palagi. So, I know naman na it's my nervous system laging in a rush. So, still have time. It's 2:40, so we have like around an hour pa bago mag-boarding. And I got this. This is chia pudding. Magkano to? 245 pesos. Of course, airport price. And we have bacon and cheese bun for Carly. 115. And meron siyang baong. Binili ko kanina outside. Ayan siya. Of course, the iPad. At ang kanyang bagong hair. Red. Kita. So, gusto niya makita na talaga. Excited siya. Fiber. Our flight will be 3:55. It's 3:25 a.m. So, we're just right on time. See you Cebu! So, mamimit niya yung mga pinsan niya, and mag-swimming siya, of course. And alam mo niyo, saan siya mas excited? Ang tamaan ng araw ang buhok niya para mas makita yung red. So, dun talaga siya mas excited. So, anyway, it's 3 a.m. I hope I can take a nap. Bye! See you later!
So thank you for flying with us.
And we are here. Ang check, it's parang maaga. No, parang early kami. 5:40. Supposed to lang 5:20. So, mga 6 minutes early. So we are finally here in Cebu. TikTok luggage. These are all, Island Elephant. In fairness din sa Island Elephant, maganda din sila. So excited for our summer getaway with family, with cousins. Saan yung anak ko? Ayan, busy din siya sa iPad niya. Wala pa kasi siyang phone. So, hindi ko pa ina-allowed na mag-phone siya. So, yung iPad niya pagkalaki-laki, yun yung pinambi-video niya at pinampi-picture. So, yun. Tara na. Hi guys! We're finally here in Cebu and hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina because we arrived ang mga 6 a.m. So, sobrang antok ako kasi from kagabi pa ako walang tulog, like zero tulog talaga. So, we are finally here sa cab. So, we're riding GSM. May GSM na rin dito sa Cebu. And, kain ako ng acai bowl ng gabi. So, it's gonna be a dinner for me. Kasi I'm really craving for it. And sayang naman, nakita ko na siya sa TikTok. And baka next day we're gonna be so busy na with family stuff. Kaya, ngayon kami pupunta while nasa work yung kapatid ko. And siya. Let's go. Ayan! Ito na, nahanap na namin. This is it. That one. We are finally here. I don't know how you read it. Kung C-O-E or C-O-O-E-E. Sleepy. It's already 6:36 p.m. At sobrang antok pa rin ako. Like, oh my God. Iba talaga pag yung tulog mo is umaga. Kahit mahaba pa yan. Groggy pa rin yung feeling. Kaya nag-agree siya. Yeah, we're gonna transfer a seat so we can have the couch because you know me, I'm a couch girl. We're here. Ha? Mahirap? That's her order, spam. Sure tayo. Like, oh my God. Hindi ko na siya maubos. Sobrang dami niya. Tingnan niyo. Gusto yung fruits, pero yung acai base andyan pa rin. Pero di ko alam kung pwede siya ilagay sa take-out cup or bowl. Kasi sayang, sobrang dami. Dahil mahal siya, girls, hindi natin siya iiwan ganyan. Dami pa niya. We're done and I'm so full and successful ang ating takeout. Ilalagay ko na lang doon sa fridge. I'm gonna eat this tomorrow kung aabutin. Ang lamig pa niya, oh. So, hanapin namin ngayon kung saan si Lani. Hindi ko siya alam kung saan, but we're gonna walk. Sabi niya, it's a 6-minute walk. So, guys, mali yung napuntahan naming Abaka. Lakad ulit kami. So, kanina, chinek ko sa Google Map. 9 minutes away. Pero ngayon, malapit na lang. Ayan, dito kami naglalakad. Dili na ka na po yun? Oo, babaw.
Bless. That's Mommy Jen. Wala siya sa mood kayo. Dito may nakulit yung galit ka kahapon. Maligo may dagat.
Kuan raman, maligo raman
Ako
ka.
niya nga ka na.
Hi guys! So today, it's my first time trying Pilates here in Cebu and kasama ko si Lani. But before ako mag-Pilates, merong kape dito sa kabila ng studio and got pick up coffee. So this is my first time seeing Pick Up Coffee Cafe. Ayan siya. So big. Sa Manila kasi puro yung parang yung truck na. Pero dito, we have Pick Up Coffee Cafe. And ayan sila ni sa kabila. And I gave her my Pilates socks. So, let's go.
Dira, kailangan ka bigger locker na ito available doon. Sure. Pwede temporary na mag-stock room.
Okay.
Tanan dire pwede nimo gamitan for free.
Funny! Press me brown. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Same kayo. Ang cute. Kaya nga, marutog nag-twinning kami. Di pa naman sure na mag-pilates kami, tapos biglang natuloy. So this is the studio. I don't know if they're gonna turn on the lights later, pero ang ganda. I'm with Lani, my friend. She's my friend for so long, like decades. Kita kaya?
Okay, alright. Okay, stay on back. Yes. And then arches of your feet up. And 3, and now up. And down. Up. Back. Up and down. Just 3 times. And up. Now, straighten the leg. Stay there. 2, 3. Please, good. And out. 5, 4. Balance. Release your inner legs, not bad. And okay, correct. So, all the way in a carriage. Okay, hold it for my time. Okay. To the ceiling. And then 4. And now V. And articulate down your spine. Good. More. Down to your tailbone. Yeah, like that. Upwards, close. Good. And last one. And then straighten. Back. And now knees to the shoulder blocks. Yes. And then down. And heels. Focus and close. Good. And then the other way. Very good. One more. And out. Breathe. In. And out. 5. 5. 4. And bend. Very good. And then come back to this. Alright, the next time you straighten your back up. Arms up, flat arms. Bind your ears. Come back in. Use your core. Regulate under the back. You don't have to go very far. And hold. 5, 4, 3, and 3, and 3, and 2, and 2, and 1. Come back in very slowly, all the way in, all the way in, all the way in, all the way in. Very good. And going down, just hold. And now straighten both legs. Inhale, and inhale up. One more time. Inhale.
Sa alin? Ang sarap, may ano sila, parang cold towel, tapos mint after. Sobrang sarap. So relaxing. Sige, sige. Okay.
I think I'm just gonna try this. First, I'm gonna lick.
It's just sweet if you lick that. Go. It's just sugar.
It's good. I like it.
I like it. It's not sour? Not sour? Ooh.
It's sour for you, but not me.
Oh, wow.
You want? Sour? It's not sour. But a little bit sour, but it's still
Okay, you... You press this if you wanna switch. Press this one. Ooh. And then if you want to face it to your face, you press this one. Okay?
Okay, okay.
So, hold on. You hold it like nothing.
Hi everyone. I'm doing artist paint, so you guys add me in Roblox. feeling it. I think is moving his face, but I think he's confused. He's not confused.